Alright, here's Ariel. Trying to get up. Oh. Ariel, let me go down a little bit. Let me go down a little bit so I can film it. Ariel. Yeah! That's my shadow. That's my shadow. Okay. Let's see if we can see Ariel. He's right there in the middle. See him? Right there in the middle. Two guys back. Alright, go, Ariel, go! Go! Yeah! Look at Chunky Monkey right there. There he goes! Oh, shoot! I'm gonna lose it. That's Ariel! He wiped out! I didn't get it because I was gonna fall. Woo! Go, Ariel, go! I got you! I got you, Ariel! There's Ariel flying right there, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Go, Ariel, go! Oh, shoot, big hit! Oh! Yeah, you got it? I got the camera! Is it still recording? Hello? Let me turn it off.